In this video, I will provide you with something to think about when designing before you build a large building. And that's going to have something to do with the final length of the building. And what I would suggest would be to build a building in 2 or 4 foot increments, and preferably 4-foot increments. And what we have here is the building that I previously did in this series on working with designing and framing large buildings, where we have 3 16-foot beams and then a 12-foot beam to create our 60-foot long building. And of course, I'm not about to suggest that you change a design that you like to fit this, just something to consider, and definitely something that I consider on almost every type of project I work on. And in some situations, if your beams are the right size, they're exactly 16 feet, they're exactly 12 feet long, then you won't have to cut these beams either. And if you don't have a large beam saw, when dealing with some of the larger lumber, this could actually be another benefit. So let's go ahead and move the wall in 12 feet to make a smaller building and something that will have 3 16-foot beams in it. And let's go ahead and finish off the exterior of the building just to provide you with what a building would look like. That's 48 feet long and using equal length structural beams along with a longer building. Again, all I'm doing is using the same length beams, same length posts to determine the length of the building. 80 feet and not 79 feet or 77 feet, where I might have additional waste, unnecessary waste, that could allow you to get a few more feet. Now, I'm not suggesting that you're not going to need more concrete, you're not going to need more lumber or more roofing materials, but I am suggesting that you might be able to pick up a few more feet or reduce the length of the building a few feet to make something like this fit into your budget a little better, or provide you with more square footage, whatever is going to work better for you.